Alright, so I am reviewing big bag, big bag. This is the Butterfinger Ice Cream Bar. Would you try this? Comment below. Alright, here we go. This is the Butterfinger Ice Cream Bar. First time. You see that? See the ice cream? Very chocolatey. You can see the Butterfinger right there. And I'm reviewing Butterfinger Ice Cream Bar. You see that? It's very good. There's a chocolate. There's ice cream. There you go. This is a Butterfinger Ice Cream Bar. And you can see the Butterfinger. I would prefer the ice cream over the candy. But there's the, can you see it right there? There's a nugget right there. Very delicious.